Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing. As you can see, it says Tarte. I got a package from them. I don't quite remember what I ordered because it's been a while since I ordered it. But anyways, we're just going to jump right on into it. If this is the first time you've ever seen my face before, welcome to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. Make sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's get on with it. So, I got my handy dandy scissors. I don't even know how to open this. Find the tape, I guess. Okay, no, seriously, I do not know how I'm supposed to open this. Oh, this is wrecking the box. I don't want to wreck the box. Okay. Here we go. So we open the box. This is what it looks like. It says, "Hello, Tartlet." It says, "Why choose between beauty that works and beauty that's healthy? Rethink natural." And then this is what it looks like here. It's all wrapped up nicely. Cool, cool. Okay. A lot of tissue paper. They wrap this really good, which is, I'm not complaining. It's very helpful. Okay. Let's start. So, the first thing, this is the Tarte Skincare High Performance Naturals Brighter Days Highlighting Moisturizer. This is what it looks like. So it's a highlighting moisturizer. I want to kind of see what it looks like. Okay, so it's white. Okay, so it does have some shimmer to it, you can see. So that's cool, and it feels very moisturizing. It feels very water-based, which is really nice. I'm gonna rub that all in. Nice and moisturized. It smells really clean too, so I like that. So cool, so there's that. And it looks like we got a whole bunch of samples. So this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Hydrating Lipstick. So it's 3 little lipstick things. Don't quite know how to use those or how they work. We got Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. I've seen this before. And this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush Sample. Again, not sure how that works, but cool. Okay. The next thing we got, this is the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. I got it in Fair Beige. I'm not quite sure. Hopefully this is my skin color. I'm really excited. I've never used like the Shape Tape concealer or anything. So this is what it looks like here. I did get the hydrating one because y'all know I have really dry skin. How do you do this? Oh. Okay, so it's like a barefoot, the foot applicator. Cool. I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, yeah, this is a pretty good color for me. Not sure if you guys are really going to be able to tell. But it sits really smoothly on the skin. Ooh, I really like that. And again, it smells pretty good. I actually really like that it's not going into my lines or anything in my hand. Ooh, I can't wait to play with that. Okay. Guess this is the last thing. So this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Flawless on the Fly kit. So, in it there is Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape. So there's a couple Shape Tape samples in it, which is really cool. And then we got this really pretty palette. So it has like pineapples on it. It's pretty cool. We're opening it up. Oh, that's really pretty. So those are the shades there. Those are really pretty. I like those colors. Can't wait to play for it. Play for it? Play with it. Okay, and then the last thing in here, this is a little mini of the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. So that's really cool. So, I think that's it. Yeah. So that is all I ordered from Tarte. I'm really excited about that foundation and that moisturizer. It looks really, really nice. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe down below. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you.